Welcome, in front of me I have Cubot X19 and I'm gonna show you how to turn off apps running in the background on this device. First we need to open the recent apps menu. To do it, swipe up on the home button, like this, and here we have a list of recently opened or closed apps, and as you can see they are still running in the background. For example, if I tap on one, it's gonna open the app where I left it. So to close them, simply you can swipe up on one to close it, like that, or you can scroll all the way to the left and tap on clear all to close all of them. And that's how you turn off apps running in the background on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.